So today we are going to open with a gap again, and it seemed that we are getting quite extended to the upside. We've got the news, which was quite good apparently. Yesterday was balancing within the gap and within yesterday's previous day's value, so we ended up with value higher. Fairly good trading, to be honest, but let's focus on what can happen today. We did breach the highs that were from last week, and those bullish highs and references from those days, and did revisit this point of control. So I'm not sure what can we expect higher here above 6,000. There are many single prints from this selling tail we had, so we might start exploring those areas, but if we don't get an early trend day up, I'm not sure we can see them today. So as of what can we expect early on, let's say that we open around this area, so it's going to be a quite big gap. Some traders might be trapped short, but overnight inventory is supposed to be long because everyone who could did either get liquidated or traded around here, so they are long now. And yesterday I'm not sure if we can say that it is skewed to the short side, so let's assume that inventory is long, so early adjustment to that should be an attempt, different color, an early attempt lower that maybe gets to halfway of that gap because it's quite big. I'm not sure about the size of that pen, but so an early attempt lower, and that fails, then maybe building some acceptance within the gap. I would like to find opportunity to enter long after an impulsive move to the upside, so maybe B, C period or so, if we, especially if we build some poor references, so like matching highs, or we get extension to the upside of the initial balance. So that would be long idea number one. For the short side, ideal would be an early weak attempt higher, so something like this, an immediate rejection, and then a weak attempt, or either a stronger move to the downside. I might take this breakdown below, back below overnight highs, or more around open. So it really attempts how the market, how the prices behave. So then we could see revisiting halfway of the gap, maybe gap fill, and if the gap fills, then the move can be even bigger, but ideally it would be if we I mean for the upside continuation would be if we build acceptance here. So not a trend day, but something similar to previous day. We open with a gap, we filled it, we feel the spike, the upper part of the value, revisited point of control and balanced higher. So that would bring many trading opportunities, and it would make trading much easier than on a trend day. So if I manage to get on a trend day, then it would be maybe one trade, with later on, depending if I could hop on a afternoon pullback or not, but are not that confident in trend days, especially if I don't take an early trade, that I could scale out, scale in, and so on. So that's pretty much how it looks. I'm not sure if I will trade today. Yesterday was quite okay, so I might not ruin it, because today there's not much time, to be honest. So that's pretty much it.